A good Thursday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking out KARE 11 Plus. We are just 1 week away from Thanksgiving, and I'll tell you, we are expecting to see a major pattern shift that will bring much colder temperatures to the area by the time we reach into the middle of next week. That should last through the Thanksgiving holiday. More on that in just a minute. First, I want to show you this morning's low temperature, and there's a reason for that. We've been dealing with these low-hanging clouds for the last couple of days, and that blanket of clouds really prevented us from seeing temperatures much cooler than the lower 40s. We lose that blanket of clouds tonight. That means temperatures will be free to drop. We're looking at temperatures tomorrow morning likely starting off below the freezing mark. So a little frosty as we head into your Friday morning. Outlying metro locations dropping into the mid-20s, so certainly a cooler start to the day. And most of that is thanks to the fact that we won't have any cloud cover as we head into tomorrow morning. Now, keep in mind that these temperatures that we will wake up to tomorrow morning, that's our overnight low. These will likely be our high temperatures about a week from today. So Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, our high temperature might actually be colder than the freezing mark. That's the kind of pattern shift we're looking at as we head into next week. So let's take a look at our time-lapse loop right here, and you will see those clouds kind of lingering for a good chunk of the early afternoon hours. It's not until this evening, that's when the clouds actually start to clear out, and for many of us, maybe not until after sundown tonight, which would be a little ironic. We don't clear out until after the sun goes down, but a lovely weekend is shaping up. Looking at plenty of sunshine from Friday, probably through Sunday, with temperatures near 50 degrees both Saturday and Sunday, all of course before turning much colder by Thanksgiving. This is the forecast from the Climate Prediction Center that highlights that, not only here in the upper Midwest, but the Great Lakes region, the High Plains states, and all the way down south, looking at cooler than average temperatures 8 to 14 days out, which basically takes us into the first few days of December. It's a pretty strong signal that below average temperatures are expected. The chance for any frozen precipitation, that forecast is a little bit hazy. Right now, it does look like our next system might give us our next chance at any wintry precip might happen a week after this upcoming weekend. So that would be next Saturday, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, where we might have our next chance for snow. Don't believe any of the major forecast models just yet. It's still just too far out to see anything specific. But yes, there is a chance at seeing snow the following weekend. Here's where the clearing is right now. Clouds have been with us the last couple of days. There's a clearing trend in northwestern Minnesota, out over the Dakotas, and with this westerly breeze, it's actively pulling in some drier conditions, and we do expect to see some sunshine show up, but again, for most of us, probably not until after sundown tonight. It's kind of our main short-term headline is the patchy drizzle we've seen has basically been done. We will clear out as we head into tonight. We lose that blanket of cloud cover that will allow temperatures to drop into the 20s or low 30s as we head into tomorrow morning, and after a cooler start, temperatures are only going to warm into the mid-40s for highs on Friday, but then even warmer as we head into the upcoming weekend. So let's talk some specifics about what has changed in the forecast. The clouds, they're holding on a little bit longer than originally anticipated. We've increased the chance for rain Monday into Tuesday, specifically later Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. It's a system that did look like it was going to stay to our south, but more recent forecast model runs have brought that rain a little bit further north. Doesn't look like a lot, and right now it does look like mostly rain at this point. So Monday afternoon, evening might be a little showery, and then that would also indicate a slightly earlier arrival of the colder temperatures. So we're eyeing up a strong frontal boundary, which is going to arrive probably early to mid-afternoon on Tuesday. It's behind that front. We'll see not only colder temperatures, but also some pretty blustery conditions, specifically on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be pretty windy as that colder air starts to move into the area, so get ready for that. Today, westerly breeze, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clouds linger with the sunshine showing up late. 48 is our forecast high for today. And you can see temperatures a little bit cooler further north. Patchy drizzle for areas around the North Shore and northern Wisconsin, but otherwise there's a clearing that takes place further west. We start off cooler tomorrow morning. Temperatures, instead of waking up in the lower 40s, we're going to start the day off in the upper 20s. That means the temperatures will be lagging a little bit for Friday. So I know the sunshine is going to return, and a lot of times earlier in the season, especially in the summer, early fall, a good amount of sunshine would mean warmer temperatures. But we're at that time of year where the sun's just not very strong, especially when you consider that the sun sets at about 4:30, 4:40 in the evening. We don't have a whole lot of time to rebound with that solar energy. So 46 degrees is our forecast high for tomorrow. Sunshine basically throughout throughout the day on Friday, and this upcoming weekend is looking pretty stellar. Saturday and Sunday, get outside and enjoy it because we know what's waiting in the wings as we head into next week. 48 today, slightly cooler as we head into Friday, but again, bountiful sunshine. We'll wake up Saturday morning once again to temperatures near the freezing mark and probably for Sunday as well. Good amount of sunshine, lower 50s both Saturday and Sunday. Clouds are going to start to increase as we head into your Monday. Showers are forecast later in the day. Scattered activity and temperatures again should be warm enough to keep this all in liquid form. Maybe a stray shower heading into Tuesday depending on how quickly that front moves through, and then after much cooler temperatures. 35 degrees is your forecast high for Wednesday, but that might be trending a little bit cooler and probably feeling a bit colder when you factor in a blustery west-northwesterly wind as well. And temperatures will continue to fall. Thanksgiving just 1 week away from today, probably seeing high temperatures cooler than freezing, and that cold trend will likely continue through at least the first few days of December.